blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up, now I see the top going down. If you didn't know, now I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up, now I see the top going down. If you didn't know, now I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top.
Yo, what's up guys and welcome to another video. This is my crash damage 2018 Nissan Micra. This car sustained a front end damage resulting in the insurance writing it off as a category N. Category N stands for non-structural damage, so I'm hoping it should be a simple repair. Some of the noticeable issues on this vehicle are: the front bumper is being held on by these zip ties and is completely destroyed. The bonnet seems to be in good condition, but the hinges have been damaged, causing this bonnet to touch on this panel here. There's a dent on the passenger side wing. This door actually hasn't got any damage on it. The only problem is someone has keyed alongside the door, so we're going to have to get that sorted. This rear quarter panel has been damaged. So there's a lot of cannabis resin all over the car. It absolutely stinks and it needs a good clean because it's absolutely filthy. But first things first, let's get this car jacked up, remove the wheels on the front end to see if there's any damage underneath this grille so we can get the parts in for another video. Let's do this.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on the M, I need one of those. Sniffing on the M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you on a need to know. Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. Bags under my eyes, on my mommy.
Okay, so the car's now been jacked up and the wheels are now being removed. I've come across something I'll need to replace, which is this wheel arch lining under here, because as you can see, it's all been damaged.
Took a couple L's, charge it to the game. Since I switched my lane, never been the same. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know.
Okay, so the front bumper is now being removed. It looks like there is no structural damage to this vehicle as the impact bar is completely intact. The radiator is holding water and there doesn't seem to be anything out of place here. So yeah, I know it's being registered as a category N, but sometimes it's best to double check because the assessors can sometimes miss out any structural damage. These headlights will actually need to be replaced. They are actually completely destroyed, as you can see here. But they do work, but unfortunately we can't do anything with these. So let's get these removed and then we'll take the rest from there. Let's do this.
Dealt with the pain, whole lot of. I beat the game, no problem.
Okay, so I just removed the driver's side headlight, and as you can see, the windscreen reservoir has been destroyed, so I will need to order that part in and get that replaced.
On the floor, how we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on the hem, I need one of those. Sniffing on the hem, like I got a cold.
Okay, so all that's left for today's video is to remove these wheel arch liners, and then we'll take this wing off as well that's been dented, so when the new one comes in, we can easily replace it with all the rest of the parts on the next video. So let's do this.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the bladesman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drowning. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. They keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drowning. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. Can't stop, won't stop, till I tour the world when the glow track. Then that nigga dope at the stove top. Type of shit they hide in a tube sock. I done skip town on a new block, but I'm still around, nigga, just not. Better hold it down when the groove drop, where I kick down for the crowd, a balloon pop. Bet they come around for my moolah. Better run them out of town for they hoopla. Queen, she a hunt like Mulan, everything the hoes what they were.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. We can't do much with the repair until the parts have actually come in. But if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Comment in the comment section below on what you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Feel amazing. Pyramid scheme, how I play the angle. I send it to your girl, but I make a facelift.
This is your brain motivation.
Wait, I'll be hella wild, but you can't tame me. Got the keys to the crate.